I am going to show you how to program the SR-04 servo recorder. You have 4 LEDs on the left. The top 2 LEDs indicate which routine is being selected, either the gear up or the gear down routines. This indicates that we are now in the gear up routine. The bottom 2 LEDs indicate whether you are in record mode or in play mode. This indicates now that it is in play mode. It is now playing the previous recording. The SR-04 servo recorder can record 4 servo inputs simultaneously for about a minute. On the right, you have 4 servo outputs that are connected directly to your servos. On the left, we have the 4 servo inputs that are only used during this programming sequence. During normal operation, you would have these disconnected. To start a recording cycle, follow this sequence. You start by pressing and holding the record button that says press to record. Holding it down will read the 4 servo inputs coming from your transmitter receiver or your servo controller and send it out to all 4 servos. This is indicated by all 4 LEDs cycling back and forth. Place your transmitter in the starting position at this time. Once you let go of the record button, it will start recording all servo inputs. This is indicated by the record LED now being on. You can move all servos simultaneously like this, or one at a time like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will record any input that you feed into it, and it has about a minute recording time. When you are finished with your routine, press and release the record button again, and it will now go into play mode for that routine. Pressing this button will cycle between the gear up routine and the gear down routine. To record the down routine, follow the same recording sequence as above to record this routine. If you want to play the first routine again, push this button and it will go back to the first one. It will continue to loop over and over, playing the routine you have programmed. When finished, feel free to remove the servo inputs and install the play-pause switch to pause and continue servo play.